In today's video, what I'm going to do is expose to you some of the dark secrets gurus are hiding from you, preventing you from making money online. Now, these secrets were secrets that I discovered over my long 5-year journey that now applying these have allowed me to skyrocket to the top of the leaderboard. I've been #1 over the last 6 months in one of my businesses, as you can see on the screen, and it's allowed me to quietly generate over $500 or more a day like clockwork just using these secrets. And again, these are secrets, as you'll see in a second, that other people do not want you to know. These secrets were discovered because even in dark private rooms talking to these so-called gurus, many people that you've probably heard of online, they confided in me that they did not want to let people in on this because they didn't want the competition. Right? Realize that the more people that understand how to make money, how to succeed with something called affiliate marketing, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online, just promoting other people's products and earning a commission and money when you refer those products. The reason people are not sharing what they're actually doing day to day is because the more people that know what they're doing, the less sales and money they're gonna actually make because there's more competition. But I still remember when I was back around 2013 a waiter, I was struggling. I had dropped out of college. I was trying to figure out this whole make money online thing. I was investing into different programs that promised the world but never actually delivered. And I made a decision and I said, if I ever discovered the secrets, I was going to expose them to people because I knew what it's like to struggle and not succeed online. So what I'm going to do is break down the first 3 secrets. Be sure to stay subscribed if you haven't already, because over the next few days and weeks, I'm going to be sharing more of these key secrets. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful secrets that once you understand, once I pull back the curtain and reveal to you, you can go out there and start to succeed with affiliate marketing, again, which is one of the easiest ways to make money over drop shipping and doing complicated surveys. Okay, and then towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you the affiliate program that I personally recommend that has all these secrets in place so you can just plug in and start to succeed as fast as possible. So the very first thing you want to realize is that people are not sharing with you is you want to find a product online to promote to people that is high converting. Now, what high converting means is that when you promote that product, it has a good amount of people that are naturally buying it. See, what a lot of people try to teach on their YouTube channels and they try to, hide from you is that, oh, you can just promote any product and make money. Oh, just go to ClickBank, just go to JVZoo, get an affiliate link, post it on a Facebook group and you'll make money. The problem with that is it doesn't actually work. See, what people are keeping from you is that you need to find a product that's already selling and then you promote that product, because if it's already selling well, then you're gonna be able to have a good chance to sell it also. Okay, so this is a big key thing that I wanted to expose to you because, again, people are trying to tell you this. You go out there excited and then you feel deflated when you don't get as many sales or any sales in that matter that you think you should. Okay. Now, the second key thing that I started to discover from, cornering these so-called gurus and really uncovering from massive trial and error was you want to join an affiliate program. You don't want to just go out there and promote an affiliate product randomly, especially if you've never made money online. The reason is that you don't have support and you don't have success that you can leverage to make your own money. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, when it comes to promoting something online, we want to share results, and this is one of the easiest ways to make sales, because when you share results of a product and people see that, they're going to get interested in buying. But the problem is, especially if you're someone surrounded by naysayers, maybe doubters, maybe people in your life that are criticizing you, putting doubt in your head on whether or not you can succeed online, which is what I dealt with time and time again. The problem is if you try to go out there by yourself, you're not going to have the support and you're going to resort back to your life, maybe a job that you're working right now, and you're going to throw in the towel. But what you want to realize is you can actually join an affiliate program that has high converting products already built in, that has a community of people. That way you stay motivated and minded. So when you go out there and maybe deal with some setbacks or challenges, you're gonna have that support in place so you can keep going. Okay, this is something that I discovered over a lot of trial and error trying to do it myself. Another thing is, again, when it comes to leveraging results, how do you start making sales if you don't have any results? This key secret is one I've never seen before revealed, and it's one of my #1 ways that I've been able to, hit the leaderboards and make a full-time income the last 5 years. When you first start promoting a product, you are not gonna have any results because you just started. But you can leverage other people's results. And this is why it's so important to join an affiliate program that is converting and that has a lot of success stories, okay? You wanna join a program that has a lot of successful affiliates promoting it because you can share their results. That's gonna get people interested, that's gonna make you money, and then you can share your own results as you develop them. But you don't wanna just try to go out there by yourself. Again, I wanted to pull back the curtain and spill the beans on this secret alone because this is gonna save you massive amounts of time, money, and energy going out there struggling, wondering why it's not working. And the last secret that I wanna pull back the curtain and really uncover for you today is that you wanna join an affiliate program with proven training. Okay, so many people are going out there, they're investing their hard-earned money into different things, and they're starting to go through the training, but they're realizing it's outdated or there's missing pieces or there's nothing in place to actually tell you exactly what to do to succeed. They'll give you some vague suggestion, but that doesn't work when you're brand new and you just want to know step by step exactly what to do to succeed. Once I started realizing that you needed to find proven training, that it wasn't my fault if I wasn't succeeding, I just wasn't aware of the right strategies that actually worked, that's when everything changed for me. So what you want to realize is that you want to find high converting products, you want to join a program that has those products with a community of successful people, and then you want to also lock arms with something with proven training. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed learning these secrets. Again, stay subscribed because this is just scratching the surface of really what people are not sharing with you, and it pains me to see people go out there and fail because they're left in the dark of what's actually working. And last but not least, I'm gonna include a link directly below in the description to my #1 recommended affiliate program that has literally all of this in place. After my 5 long years online, I've never seen something easier that you can plug into and start to see results. Be sure to check that out if you're interested. You'll get a free video overview walking you through how to set up your affiliate program, how to join, and the different products to start to see success as fast as possible. Anyway, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a like and a comment if this resonated, if you've shared your experience with me. I'd love to know if this has happened to you, and stay tuned for my next video revealing even more secrets gurus don't want you to know. Until then, take care, and I'll talk soon.